It's a little hard to see your feet. And this is why it's aptly named the Rings Trail. Sweet. This is a cool little cavern. A lot cooler down here.
Yeah, wind's kind of coming down through this canyon. It's almost easier not to use liquid rings.
See if I can do it one-handed.
And that's the end of the canyon. And Brian, there's some traps in here too.
Alright.
Alright, let me get a picture of Brian.
Yeah, you almost don't need the rings on that one. And that's the end?
That's the end of the canyon, yeah. I'm like so worried about picking this thing.
Keith is going rogue. Can we hold it?
Yeah, come on.
What's up there?
More holes and rocks.
More holy rocks.
I can get one down with this hole. I can probably go up there too. Lots more holes on holes. Getting down's gonna be fun though.
You got a foot over to your right once you get a little lower.
Yeah.
Can you put your heel in right here? And you got a foot over here. Or that.
It's just easier. It's like we're just gonna aim for a landing.
Back up we go, up the chimney. Don't know if you all can tell, but there's two monkeys about right there. Way up there. It's getting a little chilly in here. Kind of getting a hint for what it's going to be like tonight when the sun goes down. This is a bit of a wind tunnel too, which doesn't help. Pretty awesome though. Just hoping I'm not going to have to go up there and rescue Keith with a helicopter. He's out of sight. Check this out. Some random fencing, I guess, blocking you from entering here.
So
it's down here.
yeah, so I found my way into this somehow. I was looking for a way in, and I was scrambling up some rocks, and I found my way up in this.
I mean, I could see how somebody could fall. Honestly, that's why they blocked it.
You can kind of see the hole better from over here. Takes on a much different view, though.
Oh yeah. Pretty cool stuff. Very green down there.
Pretty cool. I remember it was pretty tough getting down there, though.
Yeah,
Like,
I mean, it looks steep.
You had to climb up some stuff that was pretty sketchy to get down in there.
Ooh. Just realized I haven't actually shown the inside of my camping setup, so I wanted to do that real quick. Again, I'm in the Pariah Breeze, one person. Got the Rainfly on right now. Got my super comfy camp pillow. Got my Nemo sleeping bag. I think it's rated for 15 degrees. Motorcycle helmet to help weigh it down. And then I've got the sleeping pad underneath. This is the, what is it? The Static X. So, it's a pretty comfortable setup, even though it's a little chilly tonight. I have to require some layering, but other than that, it's a very spacious one-person tent, so definitely has that going for it. It is so windy outside that we can't play cards and we're all bored. So while Brian talks to Ashley, Keith and I are in his tent. We're gonna play, what is this game called again?
Spite Malice.
Spite Malice. So we are hunkering down in our tents right now. You can hear the wind blowing, but it's gonna get down into the 30s tonight. So unfortunately, our fun got cut a little short. We're basically just gonna ride it out, and then I'm sure we'll all be up early in the morning tomorrow. But right now we're just trying to stay warm. I'm layered up. Still got my neck gaiter on. I've got several layers underneath, plus the sleeping bag. So I think we'll be okay. We just got to play it smart, but it's all part of the adventure. So hopefully I don't see you until the morning. Good morning. Last night was rough. It was cold. It was windy. Still windy. Rainy, sleety. But we made it. This morning is going to be all about caffeine. Getting out of here, I think.